All right, so we just got our Corbin seat. Took just under a month, let's just say. I think sometime next week it would be a month. So yeah, I mean, it only took 3 weeks plus. But we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. So let's see what she looks like. I'm excited. You know, I was waiting for my seat concepts for going on 4 months, and I had canceled that just because I just didn't know when I was going to get a seat. So I decided I'll go with the Corbin. Plus, I wanted the one piece, you know, seat and the heated. So we'll have to just see what that is. It's well packed. Good packing. Lots of good packing. All right. There she is. It's a bit heavy, but yeah, nice. Go ahead and get the plastic off. It's got that new car smell. Nice. It's heavy, I'll give it that. And I got my, oh, I have these connections. Cool. Even though they give it to you. I have those from my Baja lights. Lots of warnings. All right, so there she is. It's leather, nice. I like the color. Very nice. So here we have the on and off for the heat. Here's the connector. Fuse it. Oh, that goes to the switch. Very nice. Nice fiberglass. All right, so I guess next we'll go ahead and see how she fits. I like they use these rivets instead of staples. We'll just see how she fits. All right, so here's a side-by-side comparison. So you can see it's definitely wider. It's wider back here. Your actual seat comes back a little bit more. So the back of your seat, as you can see, this would represent where the other seat would be. So it'll be interesting to see how that fits. But there's a side by side of the two seats. And here's another side by side. Here's another side by side. So definitely thicker. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Totally stoked. All right, so we got the Corbin seat in. It looks really nice. I think it looks great. My only concern is that it's quite a bit taller. So I haven't ridden with it. I'm not able to get on the bike yet. So we're just going to have to see. Here it's about the same. This area right here, because it really does drop. This is the area where it's really high. But for highway riding, I think this is going to be really good because for your knee position is going to be not as bent. You're not going to be sitting down in this position as much. My only concern is whether I'll be comfortable at a stop on the ground, but we'll have to check that out. I'm probably about a month away from riding the bike, and then we'll check that out. But otherwise, I mean, I really like this. You know, this is I can sit back here on long highways just to stretch your legs, so you can come back here and sit just to get a good stretch on the back and the arms. Heated seat, very nice, well made. Got my heated switch right here, so that's very convenient. But yeah, there you go, the Corbin Seat. Don't know how much braking it's gonna need, but we'll I've sat on it a couple times and it feels pretty good. I haven't been able to put it on the ground yet because I can't get the bike off the lift yet. So hopefully in the next month we'll be able to give this a shot and see how it works.